Now we're going to add a canvas and configure it to hold our inventory. Now in our case, our inventory will just consist of gold coins. So to start, select level 1 scene, right mouse, game object, UI, canvas. Okay, and we will name this canvas inventory object, and we'll click on Pixel Perfect and change the UI scale mode to scale with screen size. Alright, next delete the event system, we will not be using it. Then select inventory object, right mouse, create empty game object, which we'll rename inventory background. Inventory background. Oops, spelling counts. Inventory background. All right. Then to the inventory background, we want to add a component, horizontal layout group. Looks good. And click back on inventory object, create another empty child, which we will rename slot. Okay. Change the dimensions of slot to 80 by 80. Good. With slot selected, right mouse, and we're going to add an image, UI image under slot, and we're going to name that background. It's a child of slot. Click slot again and add another image, UI image, and rename it item image. Okay. Next, select the slot background, and we're going to add another image, UI image, and rename this tray, T-R-A-Y. Under tray, select tray and create UI text as a child, and we're going to rename that to be QTY, or quantity text. Okay. All right, next we're going to create a folder under sprites. So let me collapse some of these. Under sprites, select sprite, and then create folder, and we're going to name it inventory. Inventory. Okay, so using File Explorer, go to our textbook resources for Chapter 6. Drill into sprite sheets, and we'll see inventory slot. Drag that over into our inventory folder under sprites. That looks good. Select our imported sheet, inventory slot. Make sure texture type is sprite. That looks good. Sprite mode multiple. We're going to use the same settings. Filter should be no filter. Compression should be off. And bring up our sprite editor. And we're going to use slice automatic. Slice that. And it's done a good job figuring out the dimensions. Apply X out of that. And I saved the game, and I think that's enough for this video. We'll continue with inventory in the next.